The other method for anchored weaving is working within a piece that you've already created. And what you can do with that is you can actually pick maybe one of the sections out of your regular quilt or woven quilt and weave into it. And the first step to do that is to pick, of course, the anchor point. And I've already basted this section down here because I've chosen this little block here to do some work on. And you're basically going to do the same process. You cut yourself a set of vertical elements, and I'm working really small here, so I really don't need a straight edge or anything. It's just so tiny. Same process. You pick up every other vertical element, and I've cut some little pieces here. You want to put those back down. I've done this on the on one of the magic quilt videos. I'm not sure if you caught that or not. This is the simplest way to do that. So I'm breaking up this particular section, and I'm using a very basic checkerboard here, but there's nothing to keep you from doing any of the other little experiments that you've done on the basic woven blocks. So it's just a way to embellish your piece further, and just maybe have a small section. Okay, it's a little tricky at the bottom here, so just be patient. So as you can see now, you have actually isolated an area where you can do another compounded structure. And what I do in the end is I just tuck these little ends underneath the block next to it to kind of hide them. I don't know if you can see that. You're kind of on the wrong angle. And that will straighten out your edge. And then all you really need to do is pin that one open side and do the same thing over here. You can actually do it all in one shot since we're not basted yet. And now you've actually accomplished a weave within a weave. It holds together okay. You'll baste and go forward. I think there's a lot of different variations that can be done with this method.